This is a wonderful opportunity to engage with the dialogue on menstruation. As we know, this is a taboo subject. Despite claiming our spaces, our identities as being liberal, we know that the stigma, the ostracization, the exclusion of menstruators continues even now. And therefore, I think it becomes very, very important to break this, if I may say, the silence, as Gunj has very correctly put it. And therefore, I think it's not only important to connect with people beyond women, because not talking about menstruation has influenced the health, both psychological and physical. And if you look at the very healthcare system per se, I see very stark gaps which are visible when it comes to menstruation. In today's context, we are talking about menstrual justice. But my understanding of this menstrual justice is restricting itself towards gearing us to think about the societal taboos. An organization which has taken the initiative for last 25 years, if I may say so, Gunj, CDPP, NFI, and of course the founder Ashoka.
आज का जो इवेंट यहाँ पे रखा गया है वो बहुत ही एक प्यारा सा इवेंट है, जिसमें महामारी के ऊपर बहुत बार बोला नहीं जाता है। इसमें महामारी के ऊपर बोला जा रहा है और बहुत सारे लोग NGO से है, डोनर है, हर तरफ से, हर भारत के कोने से यहाँ पे लोग आए हुए हैं। हम लोग बीड डिस्ट्रिक्ट में माइग्रेट लेबर के, शुगर कैन लेबर के साथ काम करते हैं। तो इनके बारे में महामारी को लेके जो रूढ़ी परंपरा है, इसको बहुत मतलब एक अगर एग्जांपल देना चाहेंगे हम लोग, तो जब ये पलायन करते हैं, माइग्रेशन के टाइम जाना होता है, तो बहुत सारी महिलाएं पीरियड से होती है, तो बहुत तकलीफ होती है इन चीज़ों की। तो ये सारा वो खुलेआम बोल नहीं पाती, या हम भी कई बार बोल नहीं पाते, लेकिन इस तरह के इवेंट में हम लोग एक चुप्पी तोड़ों की तरह बात कर रहे हैं, सारे सुन रहे हैं। और ये इस तरह के इवेंट में अगर सारे लोग इकट्ठा आते हैं, महामारी पे बात करते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Menstruation dialogue we started in 2019 when the first one happened, and it is evolving. It is having new dimensions, and as the topic is evolving, I think the dialogue is also evolving. And it's so beautiful that how CDPP came up and they said, fine, we'll take care of this particular part. Then Biraj and NFI came up and they said, Anshubai, you don't need to worry about it. I'll get the booking done. Then Ashoka, friends from Ashoka came and they became a part of it, and many other stakeholders who are not on that small poster, but they wholeheartedly participated in this journey, I would say, because we don't consider it an event. We feel that this is just the beginning for a lot of new participation of people and a lot of new dialogues.
It was wonderful to be part of the menstruation dialogue today. We had all the right stakeholders in the room talking about menstruation and how we can make it part of our everyday conversation. The menstruation health becomes an important conversation both in policy and in practice. I would like to congratulate CDPP, NFI and Gunj to having put together this brilliant conversation, a brilliant day where we have come together, and hopefully we will bring in a huge mindset shift in how we are talking about menstruation, how we are addressing the different menstruation challenges going forward.